Hi, fourth graders. I'm going to do a few examples of finding the surface area with you. I'm going to start with the Y method because those are the two videos that you just saw. Hopefully, continuing to watch this Y method will help you understand it better. So I have my rectangular prism already drawn, and I automatically draw my Y right away. That just helps me right away. At the end of each line on my Y is where I write my dimensions. So I'm going to put 6 down here. I'm going to put my 3 over here and my 4 over here. It does not matter where you put the dimensions because you're multiplying everything together anyways. Then I'm going to multiply between my numbers. So here, 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 4 is 12. And 6 times 4 is 24. Now that I have my three products, I'm going to circle them just so I know which numbers I'm looking at now, the ones on the inside. And these three products are showing the area of 3 sides of my rectangular prism. Since I know that I have 6 sides, I know that each of these needs to be multiplied by 2. 24 times 2, I'm going to bring it down here, is 48. 12 times 2 is 24. 18 times 2 is 36. I'm going to add those up. So as you can see, I just added these up, made sure to carry. I checked my work, and then I added my label. You might be thinking, I'm not sure, Miss Corbett, is that the right label? Whenever you're labeling surface area, you make sure to square that number. Square that label. Now we're going to move on to finding the surface area using the surface area formula. Okay, so I've already been doing some work for you. I have this new cube. Looks more like a cube to me, but it's actually a rectangular prism. I have my labels as centimeters, and I've labeled each side 4, 5, and 7. Now, your formula is multiplying those 3 different measurements or sides or height, width, and length and mixing them all up and then multiplying them twice because there are 2 of the same side 3 times on this cube. So it is 2 times the height times the width plus 2 times the width times the length plus 2 times the length times the height. Adding those all up together gives you surface area. So I went ahead and started filling in my numbers for that. That's the first thing you need to do. I have 2. I'm trying to find my height times my width. My height is 4. My width is 7. 7 times 4 plus 2 times the width times my length. My width is 7. My length is 5. And then 2 times the length times the height. The length is 5. The height is 4 centimeters. Now, I'm thinking about PEMDAS at this point, and I know that I have a bunch of parentheses, so I'm going to do those first. 7 times 4 is 28. 2 times 28. 7 times 5 is 35, so it becomes 2 times 35 plus 2 times 5 times 4, which is 20. That I'm going to multiply in this order. 2 times 28 is my next step. 2 times 28 is 56. 2 times 35 is 70. and 2 times 20 is 40. Then I will add those all up. 70 plus 40 is 110, plus 56 is 166 square centimeters as my surface area. Let me move this so you can find or see my final answer. Ooh, there it is. So hopefully this helped. You can use this formula to help you. Honestly, I think this Y method is much easier. Okay, have fun.